Time management skill is important for every teacher to be efficient in class. Any teacher that is not meeting up with deadlines or lifelines, as some schools may call it, will find teaching to be very frustrating, and the profession will look so tedious. Do you want to know how you can manage your time in class? Stay tuned with me. Welcome to my channel once again. This is Bukilawa, the host of Top 30 Education, the head of Amos Springs School, Igodo, Lagos, Nigeria. I'm a Montessori directress and an educational consultant. If you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button and join this growing family. Teaching can be challenging on a daily basis with lots of paperwork to be done, marking scripts, examination, preparing homework, writing lesson notes, lesson plan, and a whole lot of other work to be done. But teachers need to find balance between work and life through appropriate planning. So today, let's look at 5 tips on how we can manage our time in class. First tip is appropriate planning. Every teacher needs to organize their activity in a to-do list, and you need to prepare your lesson notes and your lesson plan ahead of time. And while you are preparing your lesson plan, ensure to allocate time to each section in your lesson plan. Your goal for the day should be specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time-bound. If you are able to stick to the to-do list that you have prepared for the day, I assure you, you're going to have a wonderful day. The second tip is chunk your work. You need to group your work in class. Arrange your students in groups. Identify a particular criteria that you're going to use in grouping them. You could group them according to age. You could group them according to activities. You could group them according to speed of learning. And when you're marking, mark in groups, either according to the same criteria you have used, or identify a particular criteria you're going to use to mark. And when you are teaching, do a small group teaching, which is going to make your work easier and faster. The third tip we're going to talk about is the use of technology. Technology will make your work to be effective and efficient in the 21st century teaching and learning. There are lots of online teaching tools that we can use, like the Google Classroom, the Google Meet, the Google Form, Zoom, and a whole lot of online teaching tools. You can go to class with a prepared PowerPoint, audio visual materials for your students to listen to. The next tip is delegating tasks. Every week you could appoint class reps, or you call it star of the week. Now these students help you to do minor activities in class to save you a lot of time, and this will help them to develop their sense of responsibility. And you need to also ask for assistance where necessary. Especially you could ask for volunteers from your colleagues. Even parents could decide to volunteer to assist you sometimes. The last tip is personal time. You need personal time to relax, to reflect, and go through some personal stuff so that you can find balance between work and life. If this video has been helpful to you, like and share this video, and let me know in the comment section below how you have been able to manage your time in class so that we all can share from each other. Go to my YouTube channel, Top 30 Education, like this video and share with your friends. See you next time. I remain your host, Bukilawa.